Yes? Okay. Before we start, my name is Jerry May, and it's nice to see you tonight. And how are you today?
Um, how today?
Are you feeling good today?
Yes,
Wow, that's nice to hear. Okay, so are you ready to start the lesson? Ready?
yes,
Okay, let me share my screen. All right. Okay, can you see my screen now? And yes?
yes.
Okay. So the last time we've talked about your hobbies, right? So this time, let's move on to the next part of our lesson. Oh, before I forgot, can you please tell me what is your hobby? And
Happy, happy,
your hobby. Like, do you play
hap-
sports or do
play,
you Mhm.
play game,
Play what? I'm sorry?
play game.
Play games. I see. Is that video game? Video?
Yes,
Yes. Wow, that's nice to hear. All right. Thank you so much for sharing. Now, let's move on to our lesson for today. Okay, so we are done with the vocabulary number one. This is already done, my. Now, let's move on to number two. Okay?
okay.
Okay. So in number two, fill in each blank in the sentence with one hobby or one action verb from the box below. Okay. Now, Anne, can you please read these hobbies? Please read the first one. Read.
Listen,
Listening.
listen to music,
Very good. Next.
reading,
Gardening.
reading,
Once more, and gardening.
gardening,
Yes, good job. And next, please read fish.
fishing,
Fishing.
fishing,
Once more, fishing. Oh,
fishing,
yes, good job. And next, can you please read the next one?
finding,
Painting.
finding,
Once more, painting.
painting,
I see. Yes, that's nice. Next,
swimming,
once more, swimming.
swimming, swimming.
Yes, well done. Thank you for reading. Now, let's move on to the next one, action verbs. All right, so please read the first one.
Listen,
Once more and listen.
listen,
Once more, please. Listen.
listen,
Great job. And next, plant.
plan,
Once more, plant.
plan,
Yes, a nice one. Next, catch.
catch,
Once more, catch.
catch,
Well done. And last one, paint.
pen,
Once more, please. Paint.
pen.
Okay, very good. All right, and this time these are the hobbies and these are the action verbs. So when you have or when you listen to music, the action verbs is listen. Okay? Listening to music, the action verb is listen. Next, when your hobby is gardening, the action verb is plant. Okay? You
Okay.
want, okay, when you go gardening, you are going to plant some flowers or you're going to have some trees. Okay?
Okay.
Next, when your hobby is fishing, the action verb is catch. So meaning you are going to catch the fish. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next, when your hobby is painting, the action verb is paint. Do you know how to paint, Anne?
Yes.
Wow, that's great to know. Next, when your hobby is swimming, the action verb is swim. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now, Anne, do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. Thank you for sharing. All right, Anne. Now, let's start with your activity. Okay, so let's have number one. Can you please try to read? And I like
I like
blank.
plant.
There is a pool near my house.
There is pool near my house.
Okay. Now, Anne, thank you very much for reading. Let's put this way. I will read first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Listen very carefully, Anne. I like blank. There is a pool near my house. So I go there 4 times a week and blank. It is fun because you can play in the water and keep the feet at the same time. Okay, now and can you please choose from the hobbies and action verbs? I like blank. There is a pool near my house. So what hobbies are we going to put here? What do
And
you think? What is the hobby? It says
uh,
here, there is a pool near my house. So what do you think? What is the hobby that we are going to put in the blank?
plant.
Okay, I will give you the first answer. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
so let's have the first one. I like,
I
is
like
it swimming?
plant.
Mhm. Is it plant? Because it says here, there is a pool near my house.
My
I like
plant.
swimming. Swimming.
Swimming.
Okay. All right. Let's try to put the word here. I like. Okay. Let me have this one. Okay. Let's have the word here. I like swimming.
Swimming.
Yes, I like swimming. Let's make it bigger this time. I like swimming. Okay. Let's make it bigger so you can see the answer. Okay.
Okay.
I like swimming. Okay. All right. So the answer here is, what is the word again? Swimming.
Swimming.
Okay, very good. I like swimming. There is a pool near my house. So I go there 4 times a week and
Swim.
swim. Yes, great job. And wow, you get the correct answer. Okay, now let's read the whole sentence if your answer is correct. I like swimming. There is a pool near my house. So I go there 4 times a week and swim.
Swim.
Swim. Great job. It is fun because you can play in the water and keep fit at the same time. Very good. And okay, next, let's move on to number 2. I always blank to Ngok's songs. I love the sweet melodies. At home, I have to use my headphones because my parents don't like loud noise. Blank is my favorite hobby. What do you think is the answer here? I always blank Ngok's songs. Hmm. What is
Listen.
it?
Listen.
To listening to?
To to music.
Yes. Wow, great job. Let's put the answer here. Listening to music. Okay, well done. Next. All right, so let me share here. Music. Okay. I always listening to music to ngok songs. Okay, I think the answer here is listen, right? Let's try if it's the correct answer. I always listen to Ngok's songs. Okay?
Okay.
I love the sweet melodies. At home, I have to use my headphones because my parents don't like loud noise. Blank is my favorite hobby. So what is the answer here? My end. What is the answer here?
Listening to music.
Wow, yes, well done. So let's put the answer. Listening.
To
Okay, listening to
music.
music. Yes, very good. And thank you so much. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's have number 3. I love being outdoors with the trees and flowers. There is a small garden behind my house. I blank flowers and vegetables. There, I like blank a lot. Okay, Anne, what do you think is the answer?
Granny.
What?
Granny.
Gardening.
Right. Gardening.
Yes, let's see. I love being outdoors with the trees and flowers. There is a small garden behind my house. I,
Granny.
okay. I think the answer is plant. Let's see. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
there is a small garden behind my house. I plant
uh,
flowers
plant,
and mhm, plant flowers and vegetables. There, I like blank a lot. So what is your answer here? I
planting,
gardening. Yes, a great job, Anne. Okay, now can you please read the sentence from number three on? Let's try to read together. Okay, let's read
okay.
together. Okay, I love being outdoors
I love being outdoor
with the trees and flowers.
with the and other tree and flower.
There is a small garden
There is a small garden
behind my house.
behind my house.
I plant flowers and vegetables there. I
I
plant
plant flower and
and vegetable
vegetable.
there.
The the I like
I like
gardening a lot.
very good. Wow. Now let's move on to number four. My father and I share the same hobby. At weekends, we usually go to a small lake in Hatay. It's exciting when you can blank some fish for dinner. We love a blank. Okay, so what is your answer here? For the first one, it's exciting when you can
When you
fishing or catch.
fishing,
What is your answer? Fishing or catch?
fishing,
Is it fishing? Let's try. It's exciting when you can fishing some fish for dinner. Oh, I think the answer is catch. Okay, let's
okay.
try the word catch. Okay, let's read together, Anne. It's exciting when you can
When you can catch
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 some
some
fish for dinner.
for dinner. One love
We love. What is your answer?
is
What is this?
fishing,
We
fishing.
love fishing. Yes. Good job, Anne. All right. Let's have the word here. Let's say the answer is okay. Here is fishing. Okay, very good, Anne. You get the correct answer. Some fish for dinner, and we love fishing. Next, let's move on to number five. My sister's favorite hobby is blank. She is very creative and she blank very well. I like colors in her pictures. So, what is your answer here?
Is uh
Mhm. My favorite sister hobby
swimming.
it's
Is
is it swimming or painting?
painting.
Painting. Okay, well done. Let's read. My sister's favorite hobby is painting. She is very creative and she what is your answer here, Anne?
Yeah,
Painting or paint?
swims. The cat
Paint, painting or paint?
pen.
Paint. Yes. Okay. Well done. All right. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay. Let's try this one. All right. Now, and let's read together. My sister's favorite hobby.
My
My
sister,
sister's favorite hobby
my sister favorite hobby is
is
painting.
painting.
She,
She
she,
is very
she is very
creative,
creative and she pa-
paint
paints very well. I like the I like the cloud
colors
cloud is
in her pictures.
here picture.
Yes, very good. And you got the correct answer. Congratulations. You did a great job today. Thank you so much, Anne. And yes, we are now done with our lesson for today. Now you know what are the hobbies and the action verbs. Great job at answering, Anne. Thank you so much for participating and thank you for answering with me. All right. I hope that you learned a lot from our lesson for today, and I hope to see you next time. Okay. Great job, and have a great day. Bye bye.
I
Thank
teach
you.